I can't get into it. I'm hoping it'll change my life. Tighten these fuckers up. I doubt it will, but hopefully. So cute. Hi guys, so I have a little haul for you guys today. Two places that I've got from. I've got some new skincare items to make a new skincare routine, and then I got some jewellery off this website that I've seen multiple times on like Instagram and Facebook and stuff. I've always browsed their website, but I've never actually got anything, but I did get stuff this time. So I thought I'd share with you the skincare I got, which is my new skincare routine as of today, and the jewellery I got as well. Actually, let me quickly share something that I managed to get my hands on, which if my last video, if you saw my kitchen unboxing, you'll know I'll be very happy. I don't F around, like, I got it quick. I got one! So I got one of the back curtain scrubs. This is beautiful. I'm pretty sure that's comforter scented, or something similar. Yeah, lovely girl on Facebook. I don't know if she watches. I don't think she does. But if you do, thank you so much. It's wonderful. I love it. I thought I'd just quickly show you guys that because I'm really excited to try that one out. Anywho, skincare. Oh, I got a hair stuck to my lip. Yeah. Skincare. I got 4 things off of Look Fantastic, and then I got 1 thing off Cult Beauty because they didn't have it on Look Fantastic and I wanted it in the routine. So let's get started. The 3 things are Korean skincare. The other 2 are like popular ones. So I didn't get a face wash because I do already have one on the go at the moment. I think it's like a Revolution one, which is perfectly fine. I find if a cleanser's fine and my skin hasn't broken out, I just stick with that cleanser. Like, I don't mind what cleanser I use. And then I'm also using the Bouche de Noël as well after that one cleanser, which is also very lovely. So I have a serum, a toner, an eye serum, a cream and a lip mask to share with you guys. I feel really odd doing this video because I never really buy anything anymore other than Lush, but I treated myself. So the brand that we got, this is the Korean skincare. So this is Beauty of, I think it's Joseon. Can you see at the top there? They had very good reviews. This is the Glow Deep Serum, so it's rice and alpha-arbutin. There was 2 of these serums. I did have the other one in my basket at first. So this is the Glow Deep Serum. There is also a regular Glow Serum. The Glow Serum is more for acne-prone skin, and the Glow Deep one, which I've got, is more for like pigmentation, redness, that sort of thing, and that's what my skin is. So luckily I researched it before I checked out because I was just going to get the other one. I can't get into it. You can verify the authenticity on the top with a QR code. How snazzy. Oh, that's the back, that's the front. Cute. So it's in a little pot like this, very cute. Ooh. No smell. I'm excited to try this. I've heard Korean skincare is phenomenal. I've always wondered about it, but I've always been too scared to actually buy it because I don't understand. Like, back in the day when it was really popular, I don't think there was enough in English about it, so I didn't know what to buy. But now this was... Hang on, did I say Look Fantastic? No, this is a Beauty Bay and a Cult Beauty order. Most of this is off Beauty Bay. I do apologise. Yeah, but on these websites now they explain it all in English and you know what it is, so it's a little bit less confusing. So I'm hoping it's going to be amazing. I'm hoping it'll change my life. Next up in the sequence of stuff we'll use is, I've wanted to try this for ages. I've just always found it to be very expensive and I've not wanted to risk it, but I saw that they've done a mini one, so it's half the size of the regular one. It's the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow PHA and BHA Pore Tighten Toner. Always wanted to try this. I've seen it on everyone's like aesthetic skincare routine where they've got the nails on and they're like... So I was like, I really want to try it. So I got the small one just to give it a go. I would assume I would love it. I don't want to waste it, but I do want to smell it. Oh, it's thick. Love that. Do excuse my nails as well. I've had to take my false nails off and they've stained from my nail varnish. Yeah, really nice light watermelon scent. I'm very excited. I think this is going to add, as you can tell, I want a routine that's going to take away my uneven skin tone and then give me a glow. That's what I'm going for. So fingers crossed. So we have that. I'm really excited. Look how cute that is. Next up, I got an eye serum. Again, this is the same brand. This is Beauty of Joseon. Crikey, this is a big tube for an eye serum. Yeah. Eye serums are usually, do I have one? Yeah, I've got a Hado Labo one here. Like, look at the size difference of that. Crazy. This is 30 mil. Yeah, big. Not that I'm complaining, that'll last a weird while. I'll test it out. Ooh. Oh, that's nice and thick. No smell to that, which is great. My face is just going to smell like watermelon. I'm so happy. Yeah, so I'm excited to try that. It's a Revive Eye Serum with ginseng and retinol. So I'm hoping that will be tighten these fuckers up. I doubt it will, but hopefully. Next up, I got a face cream to go with it. I'm going to have to test this one out, but when I changed the filters to select a face cream, this was under day cream, not night cream. So I'm going to have to see how nourishing it is to see if I can use it as a day and night, because I don't really like getting individuals. I want just one that I can use for like both. Ooh, as a spatula. I love it when they come in glass containers. Oh, so cute. This is called the Dynasty cream, by the way. I don't know if I actually said that. And you get a little spatula with it as well. Let's just give it a little go, I suppose. It looks to be quite thin. This might just have to be a day cream. No smell to that as well. I mean, it's quite lightweight. A tiny bit tacky. I don't know. I'm going to have to try it and see if it will suffice as a night cream as well. But I don't think it's going to. But I mean, that's fine. We can buy a night cream. It's not a big deal. Then last up for the skincare stuff, well, I'm classing this as skincare. Again, this is a product that I've wanted for absolutely ages, but I've not wanted to treat myself. Someone in my comments of a video I did when I said about Snow Fairy lip masks, they were like, you have to try this lip mask. And I was like, I will. But then I didn't get it. But then I was like, just get it. Just get it. Just treat yourself. And I'll use it sparingly, so I feel like it'll last a while. I did get the full size as well. But there was also a slight sale on the Beauty Bay website, so if you want any of this, go and have a look now because it might be in the sale. So I've got a Laneige lip mask. This is in, I think it's Gummy Bear. Let's have a look, what is it? No, sorry, it's Sweet Candy. I do apologise, but you can get one in Gummy Bear. So this one smells just really sweet and sugary and nice. Then obviously you get a little spatula to put it on with. Haven't used any of this yet. It's been sat in my room for 2 days because I've been waiting for this to come so I can do the haul for you guys. But yeah, I'm really excited to try this. I want it to be good, but I also hope it isn't too good because I'm probably going to want to buy it all the time. But so yes, that is the beauty stuff. I'm pretty sure all of it I got in the sale. So even this on the Cult Beauty site, there was like 15% off or something. So it was like, I think it's meant to be 50 and I got it for like £11.20 or something like that. So worth a look out. And again, this I think was meant to be 22. I got it for 16. And the Korean skincare was definitely in the sale as well, so check it out if you want it. Moving on to jewellery. So the company that I found is called Bohomoon. They pop up all the time on my Instagram and stuff like that. Ooh, that cream feels really nice. They pop up all the time on my Instagram and I'd always go and window shop, but I'd never buy anything. And they had a £10 sale, and I think this company does £10 sales a lot, so there isn't one at the moment, but I do think in the next, I don't know how many weeks, there probably will be another one. So if you want any of this, feel free to buy it now, but I'm sure there will be another sale going on soon. So originally I went on there because I wanted some nice earrings that would last in the shower. That I'm usually guilty of buying the cheap ones that make your ears go a funny colour. Don't judge me. So I was like, no, go on this website because they do advertise as tarnish free. You can wear them in the shower. They don't rub off. They don't go a different colour. Like that's one of their big advertisements. So I went for earrings originally. So I did like 3 orders, I think. So I got these little hoop ones, which I think they're called like mini huggies or something. They're so cool. Like I've never had little hoops. I don't usually go for hoops, but it's literally a little hoop and you can just click it and it clicks and closes. And I just think that's so snazzy. So there's little gemstones on it. And then it's just plain on the back. But yeah, I thought I'd try a little hoop. I don't usually go for them, but they're quite in recently, aren't they? I sound like such an old person, don't I? They're quite in these days, so I thought I'd give them a go. Then I got a star and a moon. I do always like stars and moons, but again, I would always get the cheap ones. Sorry, the dog just let himself in. But I'd always get the cheap ones that would tarnish. So now I can have these and they won't tarnish. So we're very happy. Happy. Then I got a ring. As you know, well, if you watch my videos, my engagement ring is too small for me now, unfortunately, because I'm a fat fucker. Well, because I've put on weight. So I wanted something to just replace it. I miss having my ring on my finger. But I would always like having my ring on, obviously, and looking on it, and then it reminded me of Barry. So cheesy, I know. But I just missed having a ring on my finger. So I had to get a little ring. I got this little puppy. So it's a little pink gemstone with 2 little clear gemstones on each side. I don't know how you'd say that, really. There's loads of different gemstone options on there as well. So there's like emerald, obviously they're not emeralds, but you know what I mean, the same colour. There's blue ones, green ones, red ones, there's loads. But I went with the pink, but I think I might get a green one at some point and replace it. But I do like it, it's really cute. I recommend buying a ring sizer. Every time I try and buy a ring off a website, I always get the wrong size. So go on Amazon, get yourself a ring sizer. That's what I had to do. They're only like £2. And then you won't fudge up like I did, because I bought the complete wrong size at the beginning and had to return it, had to wait for the next one to come. It was just annoying. So yeah, that one's cute. And then I got very excited because they do mystery bags. So you can get a mystery bag of rings, necklaces, anklets, earrings, horoscope stuff, whatever. And I got necklaces and rings to share with you guys. Now I've had this for like 2 weeks, but I haven't got around to filming this video, so I don't actually know what's in here. I've left it as a surprise to open for you guys, but let's have a look. These are, so you get 3 items in this, all the normal good quality great stuff off the website for £15, so it's an absolute bargain. Oh, so cute. Okay, so it comes in a little pouch. Oh, so cute. So the first one is like a moon necklace. Let me get it out. That's really cute. It's got little gemstones on it. Ooh, that's right up my street, and it matches my earrings. This one isn't as much up my street, but it's a little heart. Yeah, that'll be cute. That's cute. And then finally in that one, what's this one? Is this just a chain? What is this? I love that they come in these little bags, some of them as well, which is really cute. Oh, just a chain. Fair enough. That'll be cute. Some layering. I could layer all those together, to be fair. Just a plain. Is this meant to be like this? Maybe it's just a plain chain. Cool. Nice. I like all those. I'm happy with those. And then we've got the ring one as well. So this is the company. I mean, I'll link them down below for you guys if you want to check them out. Now with the rings, I'm pretty sure these aren't going to fit all my fingers because I think they're the wrong size, but never mind. First one is this chunky little fellow. Cute. Next one is this little one. Oh, that fits that finger really well. With just a little gem in the middle. Just a single gem there. This one has multiple gems. Oh, how sweet. I could wear them and pretend I'm actually married, not just engaged. No, but they're cute. I'm very happy with that. So each of those goodie bags, £15, tarnish free jewellery, which is nice. Is it bad luck if I wear this with my engagement ring? Wow, my engagement ring. I think it's really cute. Aww. I want to wear that. Can someone tell me if it's bad luck, please? Before you're married. Yes, that's everything I've got. I figured I may as well share it with you guys. It's other stuff that I've bought other than Lush. Yeah, have you guys treated yourselves to anything else recently? Like clothes or... I need some new clothes ready. No, Charlie, no you don't. Stop it. If you guys treated yourself to anything recently, if so, let me know what you've got to make yourself feel happy. And I hope you guys enjoyed this different video. I love you all very much and I hope you have a great day. Bye bye.